Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to a quick tour of our ocean view lot. This is our ice cream bean tree. It's looking like it's doing pretty well. Our Hong Kong orchid. It's not doing as well as we thought. Our apple banana. This one's doing really well. There's a little small keiki growing out the side. This is after we just finished putting down all our mulch that we chipped up in our wood chipper. Our flower bed, which is growing by itself. Our avocado. This avocado one's not doing so well. There was some oregano there, some basil that we let flower. Our cucumbers. There's some cilantro in the back. Here's one of our citrus plants. Our purple hibiscus. Another purple hibiscus. Shout out to Kau Ohana Farms for giving us that. Another one of our citrus. Our rosemary, our cilantro that we're letting go to seed so we get some coriander. Picking some of the lettuce there. We also let the lettuce go to seed. There's a little Mizuna plant on the side. Walking over to our other plots. The grass is kind of brown because it hasn't been raining and we had to conserve our water. Our cucumber, not doing so well. It doesn't seem to grow that well up here at this altitude. Our eggplants, another citrus, a lot of small little fruit there. Another citrus, this guy isn't growing so well. It's kind of weird, this one. It's just growing long and skinny. Our onions, we just harvested our carrots. Another citrus, this one's doing a little bit better. Our peppers, our chili pepper, our bell pepper. We got some nice little bell peppers there. Our dirt pile's getting smaller. And this avocado tree is doing really well. Wish we had another one of those guys. One more citrus over here. And all that mulch was all the debris that we've been running through our wood chipper. Our lychee tree doesn't seem to be growing that well. It's just kind of hanging in there. Going over to the other side, our ginger, and we just planted some strawberries. You see one there and one there. We just planted that. Walking up to the top, there's our sweet potato bed. It's going to flower there. This is doing pretty well. And looking back out into the lot, to the graded side, there's our little shack. You can see our wood chipper. We just finished using it. We gotta drag it up, put it back in the shack. One more citrus plant there. It's not going so well because it's under the shade of the Christmas berry tree. We need to cut that back. Our car. Gotta look out to our lot. Thanks for watching and aloha.